Side hustle I wish I knew sooner, part 5, and this is for the broke and lazy people. Go to Amazon.com and then you're gonna type in journals. This is gonna bring a lot of options that you can choose from. Here's an example for a journal that is being used for kids. You can see this journal is being sold for $6.99 and over 12,000 people have actually reviewed it and given it a rating. And that does not include people who have bought it and not left a review. And if you do the math, that's $86,000 from just selling one simple journal. Now, here's how you can do it too. Go to canva.com and then you're gonna search for journal. You're gonna find tons of templates that you can choose and customize for yourself. Here's an example that I'm gonna use. Now let me show you how you can stand from the crowd. Clearly see that I haven't done a lot to make it my own. And I've duplicated the page to make a back cover. Then you're gonna make a simple design for white blank pages. You're gonna duplicate the page until you get to 120 pages. Once you're done, you're gonna go to the top of the page, you're gonna click on share, and then you're gonna download it as a PDF. Next, you're going to go to Kindle Direct Publishing, and as you can see, they're going to publish your book for free. They will also give you 70% royalty on sales. Just follow the steps. They're fairly easy, and there's lots of help sections. And once you've done that, anytime your book sells, Amazon is going to print it and is going to ship it directly to your customers. Which means you don't have to hold any stock, you don't have to deal with it anymore, and you just sit back and collect the royalty. Follow for more side hustles like this.